This is a list of requests from you guys. I put up a post on the channel and I told you we're going to be doing some color experimentation. And I asked, are there any color combos that you've always wanted to see? Because we're happy to do them for you. So, as you guys know, we're moving. There's a lot of things happening. This may be our last day in this paint booth, and we don't have enough time to spray another full car. So, as I told you a couple weeks ago, we're gonna get creative. We're gonna do some fun stuff to keep the videos moving until the booth is up and running at the new facility. So, I picked out 6 different color combos that you guys wanted to see that we're gonna create for you today. So, I'm gonna read through what the requests are, and then I'll tell you how Gabe and I plan on executing those requests. Hopefully you guys are happy with it. So, excuse me for the horrible mispronunciation of whatever these account names are. One Low Rado asks, I've always wanted to see a flat black base with a red shimmer top coat. So Gabe and I were thinking, what could be the best option for a red shimmer top coat? Well, there is a flake, a micro flake called Laser Red. We've always had it. We never got a chance to use it. I don't even know if it's been on the website. And this is a great excuse. So we're thinking a flat black base with a red shimmer top coat could be Laser Red micro flake over black in an ultra high gloss. Thoughts?
I think that's going to be bass boat style.
It might be, but if we use a low flake load, it could be like a beautiful red shimmer. I think we might be right on target for that one. Next, Hidden Loaf 2302. I think Desert Tan and ZGN could be a pretty neat combo. I agree. We have used interference colors over Desert Tan once or twice in the past. Every one of them was a home run. ZGN over Desert Tan at the right load could be awesome. Tim McCall 4566 writes, I want to see something done with a Toyota Lunar rock base. Well, a year ago that would have been impossible. But as most of you guys know, we now have all DipYourCar colors as well as all OEM colors in high quality automotive grade paint right at DipYourCar.com. And that comes in quarts, gallons, 4 ounces, and aerosols. So right here, I have an aerosol of Toyota's Lunar rock paint. How cool is that? And what's gonna go on top, Gabe? I think it's going to be Cosmic Crush.
That's correct.
That's going to be an awesome combination. Code X something Ionics 101. My dream has always been ZBB with a bit of holographic to give the effect of the night sky. Now, I can give you ZBB and holographic pearl together. No problem. Is that going to look like the effect of the night sky? I have no idea, but there's only one way to find out. Haroon Hassani 1332. I've always wondered how it would turn out if you mix an interference pearl directly into a candy concentrate and spray it over a metallic base. All right, this one's a little bit more complex. It's almost like a 3-stage. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a carbon silver base to give you that metallic base. Then we're going to do ZGT Hypershift, which is an interference hypershift with red candy concentrate in it, and then gloss on top.
Should look cool.
That should be exactly what he's looking for. And then finally, AA 3015. Man, y'all need to do something with anthracite as a base. It always seems to be the best when you do speed shapes at the end of vids, but never see it full scale. Maybe Cosmic Crush or Iris Violet Flip. Well, I can't do that for you over a full scale car today, but I think I can get this done for you. So I think we're doing anthracite with Iris Violet on top. All of these are going to be done in ultra high gloss finish. They're going to look as good as we can possibly make them for you. We've got a lot of work ahead of us. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get started. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiments, and Gabe and I had a blast. We got some incredible color suggestions from you guys. Some of them turned out different than I expected. Some totally blew us away. Now, a couple of these colors needed to be captured in indoor lighting for the best effect, some out in the sun, so we made sure we got each one in the right environment. And you know the deal. If you want to change the color of your own car, whether it's with peelable paint or permanent paint, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We've got everything there in one place. Now, here's what you do. Take a look at each one, leave a comment below, and tell me about it. Did it turn out the way you thought? Which one's your favorite, and what do you want to see next? We're going to have to keep getting creative until our booth is back up, but I really appreciate every single one of you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.